When you think of Colombia, what comes to mind? Is it the vibrant culture, the stunning landscapes, or the world-famous coffee? Today we're going to focus on something that deserves the spotlight, the mouth-watering delicacies that Colombia has to offer. Despite its complexities, Colombia is a country that is brimming with warmth, resilience, and a passion for life that shines through in every aspect of its culture. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 20 Colombian dishes that you simply must try. Let's explore these cuisines together and discover a side of this remarkable country that often goes unnoticed. Kicking off our list at number 20 is chuleta velluna, a succulent grilled pork chop dish hailing from the Valle del Cauca region. Marinated in a flavorful blend of garlic, cumin, and lime juice, these thick-cut chops are a staple in Colombian households and restaurants alike. Served with a side of crispy potatoes or rice, chuleta velluna is a hearty and satisfying meal that showcases the simplicity and deliciousness of Colombian cuisine. Next up, we have aborrajados, a popular Colombian street food that's a sweet and savory treat you won't be able to resist. These fried plantain fritters are stuffed with gooey cheese, creating a perfect balance of flavors and textures. Crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, aborrajados are often enjoyed as a snack or appetizer and are a beloved part of Colombia's culinary tradition. At number 18, we have arroz con coco, a dish that will transport you to the Caribbean coast of Colombia. This creamy and aromatic dish features fluffy white rice cooked in coconut milk, resulting in a slightly sweet and nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with seafood or grilled meats. A staple in coastal Colombian cuisine, arroz con coco is often served as a side dish or as a vegetarian main course. Coming in at number 17 is cholado, a refreshing and colorful fruit cocktail that's perfect for beating the Colombian heat. This popular street food features a mix of fresh tropical fruits like mango, pineapple, and strawberries, topped with shaved ice, condensed milk, and sometimes even ice cream. Cholado is a beloved treat in cities like Cali and Cartagena, where you'll find street vendors crafting these colorful cups of goodness. Sliding into the 16th spot is chocolate con queso, an unexpected but delightful combination that will blow your mind. This traditional Colombian beverage features hot chocolate served with a chunk of mild, salty cheese that's meant to be dunked and melted into the drink. The result is a rich, creamy, and slightly savory flavor that's unlike anything you've ever tasted. Enjoyed for breakfast or as an afternoon snack, chocolate con queso is a beloved part of Colombian culinary heritage and a testament to the country's love for unique flavor pairings. At number 15, we have calentado, a comforting Colombian breakfast dish that's all about making the most of leftovers. Calentado typically features a mix of rice, beans, plantains, and meat from the previous day's meals, all reheated together in a pan until crispy and delicious. Topped with a fried egg and served with a side of arepa, calentado is a hearty and satisfying way to start your day. Coming in at number 14 are obleas, a classic Colombian dessert that's loved by kids and adults alike. These thin, crispy wafers are made from flour and water, then cooked on a hot griddle until golden brown. Obleas are typically served in pairs, sandwiched together with a generous layer of sweet fillings like dulce de leche, jam, or condensed milk. Found at street vendors and bakeries throughout Colombia, obleas are a simple but delightful treat that perfectly represents the country's love for sweet and indulgent flavors. At number 13 brings us buñuelos, a beloved Colombian snack that's perfect for any time of day. These small, round fritters are made from a dough of corn flour, cheese, and eggs, then deep-fried until golden brown and crispy. Buñuelos are a popular choice for breakfast, or as a side dish to accompany hot chocolate or coffee. They're also a staple during Christmas and other festive occasions, making them a cherished part of Colombian culinary tradition. At number 12, we have pescado frito, a classic Colombian dish that showcases the country's abundant seafood. This simple but delicious dish features fresh fish, typically red snapper or tilapia, that's seasoned with salt, pepper, and lime juice, then deep-fried until crispy and golden brown. Served whole or as fillets, pescado frito is often accompanied by a side of rice, plantains, and a fresh salad. Jumping to 11 is pan de bono, a traditional Colombian cheese bread that's loved by locals and visitors alike. These small round rolls are made from a dough of cassava flour, cheese, and eggs, then baked until golden brown and slightly crispy on the outside. Pan de bono is a specialty of the Valle del Cauca region, but can be found in bakeries and cafes throughout Colombia. Kicking off our top 10 is arepas de choclo, a beloved Colombian variation of the classic arepa. These thick, round cakes are made from a dough of fresh corn kernels, resulting in a soft, moist, and slightly sweet texture that's irresistible when served warm. Whether enjoyed on their own or as a side dish, arepas de choclo are a must-try for anyone exploring the diverse world of Colombian arepas. At number 9, we have cazuela de mariscos, a hearty and flavorful seafood stew that's a staple of Colombian coastal cuisine. This rich and aromatic dish features a mix of fresh seafood like shrimp, fish, and shellfish, simmered in a savory broth of coconut milk, vegetables, and spices. Served with a side of rice and plantains, cazuela de mariscos is a comforting and satisfying meal that's perfect for a special occasion or a casual family dinner. Coming in at number 8, we have Colombian tamales, a traditional dish that's enjoyed throughout the country. These savory, corn-based dumplings are filled with a variety of ingredients like chicken, pork, vegetables, and rice, then wrapped in banana leaves and steamed until tender and flavorful. Each region of Colombia has its own unique take on tamales, showcasing the country's diverse culinary traditions. At number 7, we have patacones con hogao, a classic Colombian side dish that's loved by locals and visitors alike. Patacones, also known as tostones, are thick slices of green plantain that are fried, smashed, and fried again until crispy and golden brown. Topped with a generous serving of hogao, a flavorful tomato and onion sauce, patacones con hogao are a perfect balance of crunchy texture and savory flavor. Whether enjoyed as a snack or as a side dish to accompany grilled meats or seafood, this dish is a staple of Colombian cuisine and a must-try for anyone exploring the country's culinary delights. Rounding out our list at number 6 are Colombian empanadas, a beloved street food that's enjoyed throughout the country. These half-moon-shaped pastries are made from a corn or wheat flour dough, then filled with a variety of ingredients like beef, chicken, cheese, or vegetables. Deep fried until golden brown and crispy, Colombian empanadas are a perfect on-the-go snack or appetizer that's loved by locals and visitors alike. With regional variations showcasing different flavors and fillings, empanadas are a delicious introduction to the diverse and flavorful world of Colombian street food. Breaking into the top 5, we have arepas, a quintessential Colombian dish that's enjoyed by millions every day. These versatile corn cakes are made from pre-cooked cornmeal, water, and salt, then grilled or fried until crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Arepas can be served plain as a side dish or split open and stuffed with a variety of fillings like cheese, meat, or vegetables. With countless variations across the country, arepas are a true staple of Colombian cuisine and a must-try for anyone exploring the country's culinary landscape. Coming in hot at number 4 is lechona, a show-stopping dish that's often the centerpiece of Colombian festivities and special occasions. This impressive dish features a whole roasted pig that's been stuffed with a flavorful mixture of rice, peas, onions, and spices, then slow-cooked for hours until the meat is tender and falling off the bone. Served with a side of crispy pork skin and a generous helping of hogao sauce, lechona is a true feast for the senses and a testament to Colombia's love for bold flavors and celebratory cuisine. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is sancocho, a hearty and comforting soup that's beloved throughout Colombia. This traditional dish features a variety of meats like chicken, beef, or pork, simmered together with an assortment of vegetables like yuca, plantains, and potatoes in a flavorful broth. Each region of Colombia has its own unique take on sancocho, with some versions incorporating additional ingredients like corn, rice, or herbs. Often served as a main course for lunch or dinner, sancocho is a warming and satisfying meal that's perfect for bringing family and friends together. Just missing out on the top spot, but still a winner in our hearts, is ajiaco, a delicious and comforting soup that's a specialty of the Andean region of Colombia. This hearty dish features a flavorful broth made with 3 types of potatoes, shredded chicken, and a herb called guascas, which gives the soup its distinctive flavor. Served with a side of avocado, crema, and capers, ajiaco is a filling and satisfying meal that's perfect for warming up on a chilly day in the mountains. With its unique blend of flavors and textures, ajiaco is a true gem of Colombian cuisine and a must-try for any food lover. Before we reveal our number 1 pick for the top Colombian dishes, let's take a moment to discover a fascinating aspect of Colombian culture that's deeply connected to its culinary traditions: the vibrant and colorful world of Colombian festivals and celebrations. Throughout the year, Colombia comes alive with a variety of festivals that showcase the country's rich heritage, music, dance, and of course, its incredible food. From the lively carnival of Barranquilla to the Feria de las Flores in Medellin, where the city transforms into a sea of vibrant colors with thousands of flowers displayed in elaborate arrangements and parade floats. It's during these festivals that Colombia's culinary traditions truly shine, with street vendors and local restaurants serving up their most beloved dishes to the hungry crowds. So the next time you find yourself in Colombia, be sure to join in on the festivities and savor the incredible flavors that make this country's cuisine so special. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the crown jewel of Colombian cuisine, the one and only Bandeja Paisa. This iconic dish, hailing from the Antioquia region, is a true feast for the senses and a testament to Colombia's love for hearty, satisfying meals. Bandeja Paisa is a platter that's loaded with an assortment of delectable ingredients, each one more mouth-watering than the last. At the center of the dish, you'll find a generous portion of grilled or sautéed steak, cooked to perfection and bursting with flavor. Alongside the meat, you'll discover an array of tasty sides, including crispy pork belly, rich pork sausage, and a fried egg with a sunny side-up yolk that's just begging to be broken. Trust us, one taste of this incredible platter, and you'll understand why it's earned the top spot on our list of the best Colombian dishes. And with that, we've come to the end of our delicious journey through the top 20 Colombian foods. We hope you've enjoyed. Until next time, hasta luego y buen provecho.